Okay, wait a minute. Now you're ripping on the place. Tell me what do you see?
No,
what do you see? The building's run down a little bit.
Yes, when I look at the building,
Parking lot's run down, got weeds all over the place.
Oh yeah, this looks like it's been here. It's ancient.
Okay, so let's tell you where we're at, this ancient place. It's called Fuji Steak and Sushi. We're doing another episode of Sushi Wars, a Japanese restaurant. But as you can see, it does look run down. And that's all I've noticed in Tennessee is even good places are run down. Like that Chicago Euro place. But this could do a good cleaning over there. Look at that. Yeah, it's pretty beat up.
It needs a facelift.
Let's hope the inside's better than the outside.
Let's hope.
Because I wouldn't eat off these walls for nothing, man. Look at you.
I know, no.
I'm telling you, man.
This wouldn't be my first choice if I judged the book by its cover.
Well, this is a step below, let's say, Red Lobster.
Yeah.
All right, let's go inside and check it out. Okay, so we got the bar right up front. And then you got, oh, look, there's a chef over there. Sushi rolls being done. How exciting. Look at this. Yeah, I'll just check out the place.
Yeah.
We're just visiting. Yep, and there he is. What did you just mention? What did you just mention? Why are you afraid to rip on it?
No. I mean, all the tape on the menus.
That's
Pretty cheesy.
a little concerning. We have to tape the edges there. I do that when a present rips or something, but that's about it. Okay. Start with a hibachi lunch.
Oh, they got an hibachi lunch.
Yeah, lunch box down here. Beverages. We got the starters: crab ragu, Japanese egg roll, edamame, calamari. Oh, calamari, I like that. Lettuce wrapped tuna. So let's tuna tataki. Here's the sushi lunch specials. And then the maki specials. Here's your other rolls down here. Okay?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I just want to mention, one of our last videos was it Fulin's? Was it Fulin?
Yes.
Fulin or something like that. We had sashimi, but we didn't have sushi, so we cannot deem them the champions. So the Arigato Sayonara is still the champion, even though we had amazing fish at the other place. That wasn't sushi, and Charles deemed it, we could not give it the crown. So we will go back again to that restaurant, and we will order sushi, we promise. Okay, so you were saying how old the place is. Even the inside's old.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this. That's not, I mean, honestly, how much is wallpaper? How much does wallpaper cost? Just seriously.
But from my experience from New York to here, some of the rundown hidden places offer the very best food. So I remember I want to give them, until we see the food, I don't want to make a judgment just yet.
Well, let me tell you, in California, the outside and inside mean what it is.
Oh,
so if it's run down, it's horrible food.
Okay.
We were raised that way in California.
Yeah. That
you can't. But when I got to Tennessee, a rundown place could be great barbecue.
Same thing in New York.
Yeah? Really?
Oh yeah, went to a lot of hole in the walls downstairs and basements.
Nice.
The food was outrageous.
Right, and you were just a big hole in the wall. I get it. All right, so we'll let you know the sushi rolls will be here in a few minutes.
Yes.
All right.
But nothing like Fulin's. Fulin's had it all over. It was very full of body. This is just a clear broth, and they put a couple of rotini in here. Yeah, very cheap version of miso soup. Very cheap. It might taste great, but
it normally has tofu in there, right?
Yeah, well, it's filled up with a lot of stuff. Yeah.
Right. Okay, go ahead.
This will be the test.
That's miso soup.
Yeah, it's got a beef flavoring to it. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice broth. It tastes good. There's not near the body that we had at Fulin's.
So this
Fulin's was outrageous.
Did a better miso soup at Fulin's, right?
Oh yeah, it was, and a bigger portion too. Right. It really was
and
nice.
Their dressing is a lot thinner.
Yeah.
Kind of watery. As you move, just wiggle the table, or just you can see how loose it is, and that's for the salad they brought. Usually the salad comes topped with it's more of a pasty ginger, and this one is a watery ginger, but that's the way they do it. I'm not knocking it. I'll let you know how it is at the end. Okay, Charles just pointed out that this is also a chip dish. And the dressing is a little bit thicker once you pour it onto the salad. It's a little bit chunkier than I thought, but that right there is not appetizing. So we'll continue to try everything out. Okay, so talk to me about the layout. You like this?
Yeah, the layout's nice.
It looks really,
the test is going to be in the eating, if it's sticky rice or moist and freshly made.
Okay, and then you're not touching the wasabi.
No, I'm just going to look at it.
And you hate the ginger.
No, I don't want no part of this.
And yet you're with me on Sushi Wars. Nice.
That's it, buddy. I like sushi.
Yeah, I know. You like the fish.
Absolutely.
All right, and then we got our dishes to put our soy sauce, and I'll mix wasabi in my soy sauce. And we got nice clean sticks on the table. If you want sticks. So we will let him try the first piece.
You want some?
Oh yeah, please.
You tell me.
That's fine.
We're going to, the middle one looks good. See this, I like it, comes right apart. I do like that. I don't like it sticky.
I hate when they're
It might be
connected.
just freshly made. We'll tell.
Okay, keep it here. No comments on good or bad. Just keep it yourself. So you got a good taste of it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
I wasn't on video.
Okay, so what do you think that is?
This, I believe, is the crunchy crab.
Okay, go ahead. So that's crab. Go ahead.
I'm judging it by what it looks like.
Keep it in the dot. There you go. Would you say it's comparable to the first roll? Okay. Which we will give information outside.
In no way, know how it compares to Arigato Sayonara. The service was really good. The women were very nice. Utensils were clean. I didn't like the outside. I didn't like the inside attire. I think the place could have been kept up a lot more. All of that makes a food experience. Now, if I go to a dump or a grease pit, I'm not going to be going there for an elaborate dinner. I'm going to be going there for a quick bite, and I overlook that. But now when I'm going to sit down for sushi and possibly a main appetizer or a main dish, I'm not going to look for that. Their sushi rolls, it was moist, and I think they were fresh made, that's what it appears. But the taste, the texture, it didn't have that pizzazz. I want an explosion in my mouth. Absolutely not. All three, even though they had different meats, they all three had the same effect inside. It wasn't much of a difference. So I'm sorry to say that, but the miso soup tasted good, but that didn't even compare to the texture in the body at Arigato Sayonara.
All right. So other than the building beat up, the chipped plate, and the wallpaper with stains on it, okay, the sushi is clean. All the food was clean. That's a great thing. So if you want to come in here and try it, but the sushi was kind of plain, not distinctful. When we went to Sayonara place, you could taste each sushi roll, tasted it like its own, and its own flavor, and this was very bland. So the food's clean. I'm not saying they don't have clean food. The service is great, but I won't come back because I want better flavor. So they're not the champs, and Arigato Sayonara is still the king of our sushi wars. We'll see you on the next episode. Love you, bye.